Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to increase your T factor at TCS. Along with that, we will also discuss the courses that are without hands-on, that is, that do not have any hands-on assignments and only has MCQs for getting a T factor more than 1. Along with that, we will also discuss what are TCS Gems and how you can convert your TCS Fresco Play miles into that. Okay. Along with that, we will also discuss T factor and project allocation, what is the relation between both of them. So let us begin. Now, before moving forward, I would like to tell you that if you have not joined the Telegram group, that is AirTech, then you can go in the description and you can click on the link and join the group. Okay. So if you have joined TCS already, you might be knowing what T factor is, okay? And the T factor ranges from 0 to 10 basically. And in some projects, okay, for some projects, it is mandatory to have a T factor greater than 1, okay? Even the managers are approaching some of the candidates or some of the freshers who have recently joined and asking them to complete the T factor greater than 1. Okay, and there is a second more important point, that is there are high chances of getting a project quickly after your ILP. Suppose you are giving an interview for the project, okay, and you mentioned that I have a T factor greater than 1, then your chances of getting that development or automation or any kind of project will be high. So you will be getting desired project like automation, development, etc. Okay. So now we know that the T factor ranges from 0 to 10 respectively, and it increases with each course you complete with some given credits. Okay, so it can be 0.25 credits, 0.2 credits, okay, something like that. One more important point, that there are some learning paths given which also carry some extra weight. Okay, so if you complete that particular learning path, there are some extra credits that are given to you. Okay, now one more important thing is that at the end of 1.99, so when you get the T factor as 1.99, you will have to give some online milestone challenges. Okay, you have to complete this milestone challenge, and same goes with 2.99, 3.99 and 4.99. After that you will be awarded 2 as a T factor. Okay, and then same process will go on, okay, further. So after you complete some of the Fresco Play courses or maybe any courses, okay, so you'll be getting Fresco Play Miles, okay, and you can get Fresco Play Miles Award whenever you redeem your miles in the Fresco Play, okay. So irrespective of its number into gems, okay, and currently I think 100 miles are equivalent to 1 gem. Earlier I think it was 50 miles. So if you want to get a T factor greater than 1, then these courses will help you definitely, because these courses do not have any hands-on assignments and they only have MCQs in between them. Okay, so you can do it quickly. So the first course is Digital Marketing Primer, which is for 0.15 credit. Then you have Blockchain Pro-10S and Nexus, that is 0.2 credits. Then you again have Blockchain Intermedio, that is 0.01 credits. Then you have Apigee API Services, 0.25 credits. Secure Programming Practices, 0.1 credit, and Automax Art of RPA, 0.15 credits. One more important thing, that you have Clustering the Data, that is for 0.2 credits. Continuous Deployment and Continuous Integration is again for 0.02 credits and 0.2 credits. Again, we have Structured Data Classification, which is for hefty 0.25 credits. Same goes with Azure Essentials and AWS Essentials. Okay. Now, Cloud Computing has 0.2 credits and Internet of Things Prime has 0.2 credits. Now, DevOps culture and developers Git again have 0.2 credits each. Machine learning axioms and has 0.2 credits, and machine learning exploring the model has 0.25 credits. Along with that, infrastructure as a code has 0.2 credits, and hacking techniques have 0.2 credits. Now I will give this all these names. Okay, you can directly go in the Fresco Play app and you can search the names over there. Okay, I will give all the names in the description, so it will be convenient for you to search. Now guys, one more important thing, that please make sure that you like this video and comment if you have any doubts. If you want some questions like answers to this, some of the questions or MCQs, we can do that as well. You just have to mention the question in the comment. Okay, along with that, you can share this with your friends and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.